Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I have an amazing giveaway for those who sign up to ByBit down below using my link. I partnered with them to offer a free $500 trading position on their platform to do with as you choose. If you sign up in the next 70 days using my link down below in the description and deposit $100. I personally used it to take a 3x leverage long on Dogecoin, and if it hits $1, I'll make around 15k for free. Definitely worth checking out below. So just taking a quick look at Polygon then on our daily time frame. As we can see, continuing to the upside in line with what's happening with all of our large cap cryptos. You can see quite clearly here that Polygon's having an absolute beast of a time, continuing to the upside and breaking through this swing high level of resistance here. There has been a problem previously. You could see this is an area where we did previously have a decent amount of resistance that had been causing quite a lot of issues, but you can see quite clearly here that we have finally got a nice reversal back around after this continuous downtrend down below the bear market range low. As you can see quite clearly on the charts, we basically had a very decent little liquidity grab below the bear market range low down here in and around this 32-cent level, and you can see I took a long position once we broke below that level because I knew that we were most likely going to be reversing back around pretty quickly. You could see we came down here for a little bit of a drawdown before breaking back up inside of the range. Lovely reversal off the high, off the low, coming up to test the high, of the range, then testing the low, and you can see here pretty much 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to the upside as we continue to the upside here for a lovely continuation back up probably towards the range high. You could see the 618 Fibonacci at around 120 being that range high level of resistance that we pretty much couldn't surpass multiple times here. You can see we're heading back up towards that area now in this bull market proper. Large caps looking exceptionally good right now as we do continue to the upside properly, having a really good time of things for Polygon, particularly here looking like it could be breaking through its 038 Fibonacci, which is the next level of resistance. We did cleanly break through the 023 back test and continue looking lovely, as you could see. And in my opinion, now we're heading into this level of structure here. We could be looking at hitting a little bit of resistance and having a bit of a slowdown of things as we do see our continuation of our altcoins to the upside in general. But overall, altcoins the past few days still continuing to the upside and looking really good. As we could see here, very nice impulse to the upside for Polygon after grabbing that liquidity below the bear market range low, but obviously looking quite parabolic. And I do always like to tell people to exercise caution when buying into parabolic moves, because you could well buy here thinking you're going to go up here, and then in reality we hit the resistance and then we retrace, and then you've basically bought at a fairly terrible entry when you could have just bought on the retrace rather than buying a parabolic move. There's always a risk of buying moves that have already moved so much, so do exercise caution in these markets because they do tend to whip back around. As soon as you buy, they do tend to whip back around. At least that's what I've found in quite a lot of instances. You can see here for Polygon, we have surpassed the middle of the bear market range now. 50% area is probably around here, so we are breaking towards the top of this area now. I could see this coming up and hitting the top of the range pretty soon, if I'm being honest. Looking very strong indeed heading into this large cap frenzy that we're seeing. We've seen VeChain, Cardano, XRP, loads of other cryptos in the large cap bracket doing extremely well. Polygon here also having a really nice bounce. Currently heading up, what we're looking at now, almost a 3x from these lows down here to the current price. Very nice price action. And probably going to be heading up to a new all-time high in this cycle. Right now, this chart looking like it's very much back on the way to that $3 high. Overall, I'm feeling good about this. Let's see what we can do. Make sure to sign up to ByBit for a huge 30k bonus down below. Massive prizes at the minute for depositing $100. Bitrue are also offering 50 USDT for depositing. Or if you're looking for a non-KYC self-custody exchange for trading, AlphaX down below in the description as well. And like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.